Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
As a response to the letter received by the office of the Syiem of Hima Mylliem from residents of Laitumkhrah locality on the 10th of February 2022 on the urgent need for the annual meet of the Dorbar Shnong Laitumkrah as per tradition and rules and regulations of Hima Mylliem, the acting Syiem of Hima Mylliem Ainam Manik Syiem had issued an order dated 25th of August 2022 for the Laitumkhrah Dorbar to be dissolved and the Sanad of 5th February 2018 as the Dorbar Shnong had violated the Mylliem Act of 2007 and Mylliem Rules 2015 on the annual general elections to the Dorbar Shnong. Earlier this year, 5 summons were issued to 3 headmen of Laitumkhrah that included GB Saukme, SB Nongdhar and AA Jyrwa for clarification on complaints made against the Dorbar Shnong Laitumkhrah. While others had cited reasons for not responding to the same, Andrew A. Jyrwa had presented himself before the Dorbar of Hima Mylliem while at the same time expressing great concern on the particular issue. On 25th of August 2022, an order had been again issued by the acting Syiem of Hima Mylliem on the appointment of Andrew A. Jyrwa as the acting headman of Laitumkhrah and also for him to organize within a month's time a general meeting of the Dorbar Shnong. In compliance to the order, Andrew A. Jyrwa accepted the responsibility bestowed upon him. At the same time, he appealed to all residents of Laitumkhrah and especially to the youth organization or the Sengsamla, the women's organization or Kasengkanthe, the Laitumkhrah Sports Club and especially to all the Rangbah Dong to work in tandem with the Dorbar Shnong so as to enable the smooth functioning of the Dorbar Shnong Laitumkhrah as per rules and regulations of the Dorbar Syiem of Hima Mylliem.
Kajing IT jong Syiem yang hagani kapor galak ngidebla ngakwa ban pu kajing kermen hangni nomor ba bon kumo ifi mene ki bon ki kendram iba lawan hapok Dorbar Shnong. Kawai ni kita kalau lara gila bengin penbet no ya gini ki kendram kajing trekam jo Dorbar Shnong nang ni sekhmat ki no ki bayar nanti kebaar ke Dorbar Shnong ke bawah IP kedon ni ga Sengsamla ki Senglong kemi Sports Club ke Sengsamla ilala ban penthmai hendeng pala bengin khat pun keduk iki apa ka executive committee nak don nak daw ki ba ya segi bangi haban ya kran sani bahan nak daw beli mun pat la ban khat iki hendeng seng samla kala don yang ngadon kambu ya gajing rekam lang jong ki Senglong kemi nomor ba kilong kemi mo wifi kidi kita ki ba aibut an sim bi adon lang berobor hakno no ga khia kison jong Shnong di kilong kemi ru hang ni ngakwa bangan pensyahan ni ba ning sakhot no bangin salum no ya ka meeting ke bangin penkhim yang Senglong kemi in penkhim ni penklanjang ya sports club tu nomor Laitumkhrah sports club bagi we ni sports club ke barimtam kau ni ki founding member jongka Shillong Sport Association ya kan ni ru ngila don kam bangin penkhim bangin penklanjang ya ni bat ngakermen ba da ka jinge trelang jong kini ki sports club jong ki Senglong kemi ning Sengsamla bat khamtam ya kirang badong ngila bangin penbet ya kini ki kam ki jam ki ba nani skwani la ban yo nomor ba kirang badong mo wifi kini ki badon kam ba inong khat sabot kirang badong kini they play a very important role apakah Dorbar Shnong dapat berai executive committee ke function hada jingdon lang jo kirang badong ki members ki bangi khot kerbang iki but how ni tayo ubanwan yang selum lang ya ki rang badong baro bangin khot ni merjumut berangkat lang gajing ai ga ketiga mon buat khantam advice ke bagawan ke bakinwan lagi rang badong mengilak ban pentrekam ban penbhai ya ka jingduna jingko ba nakaliang jong office Syiem bat Dorbar Hiyo hapo Dorbar Shnong Laitumkrah menilai berpendek ini jing dan kam ini jing ko ko kom tre kam bawa